Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how to use hashtags on X. So on X, before posting, you have to check Explore tab at the bottom side of the screen, which looks like magnifying glass icon. And here at the top, let's go to Trending section. And here you will see popular topics and also popular hashtags that are trending in your country specifically. And if you go back to For You page, For You section, also here you can see some different hashtags, for example, prom, and some others. Yes, so basically now how to use hashtags. You should tap this blue button, blue plus icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to start a new post. And you have to just type hashtag symbol, which is followed by keyword. For example, I want to type the name of my channel, which is Hard Reset. And I have to do that in one word with no spaces or punctuation. So I cannot do it like this. Let me show you like this because my hashtag ends on the first word, and I don't want to do that. I want to do that in one word. So this is my hashtag. Additionally, you can use maximum of 2 hashtags per one post, because if you use too many hashtags, it will just look like spam and it can lower your engagement, and that's definitely not what you want. And of course, you have to use hashtags only if it truly relates to what your post is about. Yes, and yeah, that's basically how you can use your hashtags on X application. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.